In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a stage in Discord. A stage in Discord is a special type of audio channel designed for events like town halls, Q&As, and community talks. It highlights speakers while everyone else listens, and it makes it easy to bring people on and off the stage. Before we begin, make sure your server already has a stage channel set up and that you have permission to start it. If you don't see a stage channel in your server's channel list, you'll need an admin or moderator to create one for you first. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server that contains the stage channel you want to use. Look through the channel list on the left and locate the stage channel. It's usually marked with a distinct icon and a name the server chose for it. Click that channel to enter it. This takes you to the stage channel window, where you'll see the controls you need to start your event. At the bottom of this window, look for the button that says Open the Stage or Start Stage. The wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but it will appear in the same general area near the bottom. If you don't see the button, double-check that you're in the correct channel and that your role in the server has the right permissions to open a stage. Go ahead and click that button. You'll be asked to enter a topic for your event. Think of the topic as your event headline. It lets members know what the conversation is about before they join. Keep it clear and concise, but descriptive enough to set expectations. For example, weekly community update or photography tips, live Q&A works better than something vague. This topic can also help draw attention when members browse the server. After you confirm the topic, your stage goes live. You'll see the channel bubble up to the top of the channel list, so it's highly visible to everyone in the server. Members can now join as listeners, and you'll be listed as a speaker. From here, you can manage who speaks and who listens using the built-in controls. If members request to speak, you'll be able to approve or decline them. You can also keep an eye on the audience and maintain a smooth flow by bringing speakers on and off the stage as needed. That's all it takes. Open Discord, enter the correct server and stage channel, start the stage, add a clear topic, and your event is live for members to join.